Hi guys, it's Caleb with MarineMax Lake Norman. We got a fresh boat in stock here I want to do a walkthrough video on. This is the 2025 Yamaha 255XD. This is the epitome of their surf edition. Excited to have it. We have this one in the mist gray. Comes with the galvanized tandem axle trailer here. You got some white accenting, pop-up cleats throughout, nice powder-coated black arch on it with actuating bimini. Coming around to the back side here, I'll show you some features back here. With this being the surf edition, we have our surf tabs here on either side. This is the twin motor boat, so you have double the propulsion. This has the 1.8 supercharged motors in it. It's really fast, fun boat to drive. Tons of space back here on the swim platform to hang out. You got seat back cushions here for people sitting down on the platform. You got nice grab handles here on the entry. You have a low ski tow point, and then you have your wakeboard tow point up top on the tower. You have a slot for your table back here, or you can hook up a grill if you did that type of option. On this side, you have your stereo controls and your flush outs here for the engine. Cup holders throughout. You got some speakers back here on both sides. A cool spot to hang out. All right, walking up through the middle, you notice you got nice even steps, flush walk through, easy in and out. These rear cushions actually slide, so you can make it into a lounger here in the aft, or you can slide them forward to give yourself more room up here in the cockpit. Also, with these back seats, these will flip up. On either side, you got storage there. It's a nice touch, keep some extra things. Coming up onto the inside, you'll notice it's got a ton of room. You got storage on all your seats here. You also have your ballast tanks down on either side as well. Nice spot for your battery trays and switching, really accessible and convenient. Pointing out the tower, you do have swivel board racks here on both sides. They'll swivel all the way 180 degrees, make it easy to get to at your boards. I do love this, the clamp style actuating tower here. This is much easier to use. Some of the other models have the screws. They upped the ante on this one and did the clamps, which I like. Coming over here to your side console, you got a nice flip-up table. Give yourself a little extra room to put out some snacks or drinks. You have a nice big glove box here. And you also have a dedicated spot for your igloo cooler. You'll notice all the non-skid. This is snap-out flooring, so it's easy to clean. It's really convenient. Moving on up to the helm station and the passenger side. Let's start on the helm side. This side we have flip-up armrests, we have bolstered seat. This will swivel, slide, and recline. You have a really smooth throttle assembly over here. Some of your default buttons for your lights, your horn, blower, all that good stuff. You have a built-in phone charger with a wireless charger. Easy in and out with one hand. Just put the bottom of your phone in there and slide it in. You have a nice big touch screen here that'll show your mapping, your gauge clusters, your sound system, all that good stuff will be powered through here. Touchscreen, and if also you're on the move, you need to just grab the rotary encoder quick to control the screen as well. This is really convenient to use. You also have auxiliary and USB and USB-C chargers right here. With this being the XD, the drive edition, you have your paddle shifters on the back here. These are really nice for low speed docking situations. You can control forward and backwards just with the touch of your fingers. This one also comes with your dock hold, side shift, a couple other options there that are really convenient as well. Moving over to the passenger side, we got some nice big glove boxes here, 2 glove boxes, cup holders up on the dash and then down by the side there as well. You also have your chargers over here for the passengers and miscellaneous storage over there. Nice non-skid on top for miscellaneous items as well. And then coming into this compartment, massive storage area, or you can put a porta potty down there if you needed a bathroom on board. Sliding up through the middle here, we do have a really big storage locker in the center. Your center ballast is also stored in that locker. For your surfing, inside of here we have a wind block for your windshield, but also you got extra storage down in there as well. Moving on up to the bow, you'll notice we have a ton of space up here. It's really comfortable. Cushions on all your seat backs. You got 2 speakers up here, pump to tunes, some cup holders here in the front, cup holders on either side. Both of these will flip up into extra storage as well. And you'll notice down in the compartments, we still have our center cushions here that'll fill this out into a full bed. They're still in the shrink wrap and bubble wrap down in the compartment. And then moving on up to the bow, we have our dedicated storage for our anchor and also a nice flip out telescoping ladder in the bow. It's nice for those sandbar days. Again, this is Caleb with MarineMax Lake Norman on the 2025 Yamaha 255XD. If you guys like this boat, we'd love to see you here. Give us a call. Happy to answer any of your questions. Hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching.